In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Beats Studio Buds Plus earbuds. These earbuds have been making waves in the audio world since their release, and we wanted to see if they live up to the hype. We'll be talking about the design, sound quality, battery life, and more. So, if you're considering purchasing these earbuds, keep watching to find out if they're worth it. Design. Let's start with the design. The Beats Studio Buds Plus earbuds come in a translucent clear case, which looks really sleek and modern. The earbuds themselves also have a translucent design, which makes them stand out from other earbuds on the market. They're also very lightweight, which makes them comfortable to wear for long periods of time. The earbuds come with 3 sizes of ear tips, so you can find the perfect fit for your ears. Sound quality. The Beats Studio Buds Plus earbuds deliver excellent sound quality, with deep bass and crisp highs. They also have active noise cancellation, which blocks out external noise and allows you to fully immerse yourself in your music. The earbuds also have a transparency mode, which allows you to hear your surroundings without having to take the earbuds out. Battery life. The Beats Studio Buds Plus earbuds have a battery life of up to 8 hours, which is pretty impressive. The case also provides an additional 16 hours of battery life, so you can keep listening to your music all day long. The earbuds also have a fast charging feature, which gives you an hour of battery life in just 5 minutes of charging. Conclusion. So, are the Beats Studio Buds Plus earbuds worth the hype? In our opinion, absolutely. They deliver excellent sound quality, have a sleek and modern design, and offer a long battery life. If you're looking for a high-quality pair of earbuds, we highly recommend giving the Beats Studio Buds Plus a try. Thanks for watching.